Is there anything nicer at home than having a garden one can be proud of? But a garden is not just a pleasure, it also needs a great deal of attention. The high-quality GEKA hose plug system in metal, attach and go. High-precision workmanship ensures that leaky connections are not a problem. The GEKA water stop system. Simply remove the device, the water stops. Turning off the tap, unnecessary. You save time and water. Gardeners and other professionals around the world have valued the high-quality GEKA offers for more than 80 years. You can enjoy this quality in your garden now too. Would you like to do more for your garden? The two-way valve. Only one of over 20 components in the GEKA hose connection system. Particularly practical. One tap becomes two in just one step. GEKA opens up even more possibilities for you. Moreover, the GEKA hose plug system can be combined with all common connection systems. Extend and branch out the GEKA hose plug system however you need to, and your garden will flourish. And when it really matters, GEKA lasts.